Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to install Windows 11. Today, we'll walk you through everything you need to know. Before we start, let's ensure your system meets the requirements for Windows 11. You'll need a compatible processor, sufficient RAM, and storage space. Backing up your data is crucial to prevent any losses. Make sure to save important files to an external drive or cloud storage. Next, we'll create a bootable USB drive using the Windows 11 Media Creation tool. Follow these simple steps. To boot from the USB drive, we need to access the BIOS or UEFI settings on your computer. Restart your device and follow these steps. Once you've booted from the USB, you'll see the Windows 11 installation screen. Let's begin the process. At this point, you'll need to choose between an upgrade and a clean install. Each has its pros and cons. During installation, you'll be prompted to configure various settings. Take your time to select what works best for you. Once the installation is complete, you'll set up your user account and finalize your preferences. Congratulations on installing Windows 11. Here are some post-installation tips to enhance your experience.